Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
The first step for the roof is getting on it. Let's cover ladder safety. That is, last I checked, and it's been a long time but ladder falls are like one of the leading cause of homeowners visiting the emergency room.
Yes. So when we set up the ladder, we want to make sure that it's on a flat surface. And then also too, we want to make sure that it's 3 feet above the roof. So that way, when we're able to get on the roof, that you're not, sliding your foot over and you slip, you have enough clearance that you can just walk down the ladder. And then also too, we want to make sure that it's on an angle, because if it's straight up too, you can fall straight back. And that's something that I practice with my team. And then we also have paperwork that everyone signs to make sure that they understand that, because I want all my guys and girls that work with me, I want to make sure that they make it safe home to their families every night.
So we're talking an extension ladder, not an A-frame.
Yes, an extension ladder. We're not an A-frame, no.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.